Alright, if Fortnite's feeling choppy on your PC, here are the best ways to squeeze out more FPS. Step 1. Drop your graphics settings. Go into Fortnite settings and set everything to low or performance mode. Performance mode is huge. It cuts out a lot of the extra effects and really boosts frame. Step 2. Set your resolution. Lowering from 1080p to 900p or 720p can give you a big jump in FPS without killing the gameplay. Step 3. Cap your FPS. If your monitor is 60Hz, cap it at 60. If it's 144, cap it at 144. This keeps things stable and stops stuttering. Step 4. Update drivers. Go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Grab the latest drivers. Fortnite updates often and do so GPU drivers. Step 5. Windows tweaks. In Windows, set your PC to high performance mode. That's by going to here and then pressing on additional power settings. And then hide additional plans and selecting high performance. And make sure game mode is turned on. Step 6. NVIDIA AMD settings. If you're an NVIDIA, open Control Panel and set Fortnite to prefer maximum performance. AMD has similar options in Adrenalin. And bonus tip, if your PC is still struggling, lower 3D resolution in Fortnite settings. It makes a huge difference. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.